Solving real estate problems. That's what realtors do. We solve our clients' real estate problems. That's really what it boils down to. This home is a great example that I'm going to talk about for you of going outside the box to solve somebody's real estate issues. It's a recently sold property in Tempe, a condo, and let me show you how the story goes.
We sold this Tempe condo quickly for cash and with no repairs. The seller had a water leak in the master bedroom that damaged the wall and subfloor. They'd had it professionally remediated for water damage and mold, so it was ready for wall repair, a new master bathroom, flooring, and paint. The contractor they'd been working with quoted them around $20,000 to put the home back into good condition and said it would take 4 to 6 weeks. Well, the seller didn't want to wait 4 to 6 weeks and then another 30 to 45 days to close the sale. That's where our creative outside the box solution came in. I presented the home to our group of investor buyers to see if we could generate a competitive offer as the home sat with no repairs. To our seller's surprise and joy, we found a buyer willing to pay the current estimated market value with no further repairs and close in less than 30 days. As a double bonus, the seller had been paid a good portion of the $20,000 estimate for the repairs by their insurance company and was able to keep that too.
If you have a real estate problem that you'd like an out-of-the-norm solution for, call me or text me at 602-430-5755 and let's come up with a creative solution for your real estate problem. Thanks for your time.